Today we'll be going through the process of stabilizing and dyeing a ring blank. So come along with me and I'll explain some of the steps on what we go through. Wood stabilization uses a specific type of resin. You'll see here I'm using cactus juice. Basically, you submerge a piece of wood in the resin and you place it under vacuum. And what it does is take out the air that is inside the wood, all those nooks and crannies that you might not be able to see. And once you release the vacuum, everything that surrounds the blank, the resin, for example, gets forced back into where the air was before. So this is the vacuum pump that is attached to the vacuum chamber, and I will close off the air valve on the left, and it allows the vacuum to draw all of the air, or most of the air, out of the chamber. What you see here is the piece that is under vacuum, and what remains in the wood gets pulled out. Once that happens for a while, you release the vacuum and let it soak. I ended up letting mine soak for a couple days, only because I couldn't get to it before then. You can wrap your piece in aluminum foil or you can leave it exposed. There are differing schools of thought. I chose to leave mine exposed because it was such a small piece I wasn't too worried about bleed out in the oven. Then you're ready to pop it in the oven at 200 degrees. You'll want to leave it in there at least an hour so it can fully cure. It may take a little longer depending on the size of the blank. Once I was done with the stabilizing and dyeing process, I could treat it like any other ring blank and shape it down the way I wanted it. The craziest part that I saw is just how consistently the color went through the entire blank. I expected to have a little bit of lightening as I got down to the middle, but it just stayed such a true blue. I was so happy with the outcome. And this is the part that is the most satisfying when I'm making a ring, is putting the finishing coats on it with CA glue. You get to really see the final color it will be once you're done polishing it. And I am here to say it looks so good. Would you look at that? The best part about this ring that I can see is the way it reacts to any different type of light. Low light, sunlight, it all just looks so good. Different angles of light, you can see the grain, you can see the lighter blue, and it travels into that deeper blue on the sides. It's just such a spectacular ring. I can't get over how good this first blank came out. And I'm super excited to keep doing this process and trying different color combos to see what I can come up with next. I really hope you enjoyed watching this process. I had a ton of fun learning this and going through it for the first time. Let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions for a color combo, maybe some inlay ideas. That would be great. Share it with a friend if you liked it, and I will see you in the next one.